Welcome back to Motor Masters, your go-to destination for everything on four wheels, from the latest model launches to in-depth reviews and expert insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic hatchbacks in automotive history, the Volkswagen Golf. The Volkswagen Golf has been a symbol of quality, reliability, and performance since its debut in 1974. Over the decades, it has evolved through multiple generations, refining its design, technology, and driving dynamics, while staying true to its roots as a practical and fun-to-drive compact car. The latest iteration of the Golf showcases a bold, modern design that still maintains its recognizable shape. Sleek LED headlights, a streamlined grille, and strong character lines give it a contemporary look, while its compact size ensures it's still as maneuverable and urban-friendly as ever. Inside, the Golf features a clean and digital-first cabin, a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and intuitive controls bring a premium experience to the driver and passengers. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a suite of driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking ensure the Golf remains as tech-savvy as it is safe. Under the hood, the Volkswagen Golf offers a variety of powertrain options depending on the market. You'll find fuel-efficient turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, mild hybrid variants, and even plug-in hybrid versions for those looking to go greener without sacrificing performance. The Golf GTI and Golf R continue to cater to enthusiasts with their sport-tuned suspension, powerful engines, and sharp handling. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Golf maintains its reputation for balanced performance. Whether you're cruising through the city, tackling twisty back roads, or hitting the highway, the Golf delivers a composed and engaging experience. Its suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, and the steering is precise and responsive. Volkswagen's commitment to quality is evident throughout the Golf's build, from the solid feel of the doors to the soft touch materials inside the cabin. It strikes a perfect balance between practicality and premium, making it a great choice for families, young professionals, and driving enthusiasts alike. As emissions regulations tighten and the automotive world shifts toward electrification, the Golf continues to adapt, blending classic hatchback utility with the latest in green technology. It remains a benchmark in its class, proving that innovation doesn't mean sacrificing identity. Thanks for tuning into Motor Masters. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into your favorite cars, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts about the Volkswagen Golf in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.